Start investing today. $10 a day can change your future. How Americans Build Wealth with Investing Beginner's Guide 2026. What if I told you that investing just $10 a day could potentially grow into thousands of dollars over time? The biggest difference between rich and average Americans isn't just income, it's investing. What is investing? Investing means putting your money into assets like stocks, ETFs, or bonds with the goal of growing your wealth over time. Unlike saving, investing carries risk, but it also offers the potential for higher long-term returns. Why do Americans invest? Build long-term wealth. Prepare for retirement. Stay ahead of inflation. Create passive income through dividends or investment growth. Types of investments. 1. Stocks. When you buy a stock, you own a small part of a company. If the company grows, your investment may grow too. 2. ETFs. ETFs hold many companies in one investment, making them popular for diversification. 3. Index funds. Many long-term investors choose index funds because they track a market index and are simple to hold for years. 4. Bonds. Bonds are generally considered lower risk than stocks, but they may also offer lower returns. Example: imagine investing $500 every month for many years. Thanks to compound growth, your money may grow far beyond the amount you contributed, depending on investment performance. Biggest mistakes: waiting too long to start, trying to get rich overnight, investing money you may need soon, panic selling when markets fall. Final advice: start with an amount you can afford, invest consistently, diversify your portfolio, and think long-term instead of chasing quick profits. Would you invest in stocks, ETFs, or index funds? Let me know in the comments, and subscribe for more USA finance tips.